I'm heading out of Walk-in-the-Water campground. It's close to Sebring, and today I'm heading to Lakeland. Look at this, it's so foggy, it's beautiful actually. It's in low 60s, so temperature is perfect. Perfect riding weather. So today's plan is to head to Lakeland, camp at Saddle Creek Park Preserve. That's where I always stop and camp. I wasn't sure if they have a paved road here, but they do. Nice white paved road. Backroads. And there is no traffic here. Look at the oranges. So I'm gonna stop at the Tinery breakfast place, and it's coming up in 4 miles, maybe 3 miles from now. You see right side that hot looking building, that's the breakfast diner. That's where I'm heading. Nice smooth road. Yeah, very nice. Nice countryside. Yeah, this road goes left and right, up and down. It's just perfect. Perfect country road. And there's a lake. I don't know, there are so many lakes. Another side has another lake. Yeah. And all these lakes around it. Yeah, very nice. Going by these country roads, it's a nice ride. I love it. Very few cars, almost no cars here. It's so peaceful here. Look at that, all around. Looks like they are developing here. So you see those Mammoth Grove estates, a lot too. All this field's gonna be full of houses, I assume. I feel bad for this guy. He's selling his house, you see. He's like, I'm out of here. I got here, there's a Dunkin' Donuts here. We're gonna stop here and take a break. Just rode 17 miles, so I have plenty of time. It's in Lakeland. It's just outskirts of Lakeland. I have about 10 miles actually to the Saddle Creek campground. That's the Saddle Creek Preserve. I have arrived. All right, I have arrived. So, look, I put my tent up. I'm cooking. There's my bike. There's me. And yeah. Now I'm gonna boil the water and I'm gonna make some food. I have this trail top here, adventure food, beef stroganoff. That's my favorites. I took a shower. Now I feel fresh. I haven't taken a shower 2 nights in a row. And last night I didn't have a water or showers there in the campground, and the night before I kept. So yeah, look, I have friends here, a couple of chickens. I guess they speak different language. Alright, let's see. Hopefully I have enough fuel because it's pretty empty, but hopefully it starts boiling so that I can close the other side so that the wind would blow it off. We got some rain here. First rain this bike trip. Luckily I got my tent up right before, so I was safely in my tent. Alright, I'm gonna eat now and sleep. Hikers, bikers, midnight is when it gets dark. This morning is much colder than any other morning. This week's gonna get cold. But yeah, I'm leaving from Saddle Creek Preserve Campground. I had a good night, slept well, and yeah, another beautiful morning. Last night we had some rain, but other than that, it's gonna be a beautiful day. I'm going to Lakeland, and first I'm gonna get breakfast, then I'll see what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna head to Starbucks and get some work done and edit some videos till I have to board the train. I'm riding in Lakeland. Nice bike trails. It's just a great place to live. I have still like 3 hours. Just came out of Starbucks and now I'm just riding around and checking out the Lakeland. I like that the trail goes all around the lake. See? Of course the bike trail is going the other way, but I'm using this trail. I believe that's the Lake Mortrom, and I'm gonna check out some of the birds too. They have exotic birds here. Oh, wrong way. Bike should go other way. I know, sorry. I would live somewhere else, and Lakeland would be one of the top choices. Today is so much colder, and then next week it's gonna be warm again. I actually got lucky with the weather, because all those 4 days I rode it was warm, even too hot. I have arrived.